Wondering if the DJI Mini 5 Pro is worth the wait? In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about this highly anticipated drone. We will discuss its rumored features, expected release date, and how it compares to the Mini 4. By the end of this review, you will know if the Mini 5 Pro is the right choice for you. If you are into drones or curious about the latest technology, stick around. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch in December, and the excitement is already building. If you are familiar with the Mini series, you know each new model improves upon the last. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to bring significant upgrades, potentially making it the best in the lineup. One of the most anticipated improvements is the camera. While previous models were impressive, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to step it up with 4000 video at 60 frames per second. This is a major leap, especially for those who create travel vlogs or professional content. The higher frame rate will result in smoother, more detailed footage. Battery life is another crucial upgrade. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to offer up to 35 minutes of flight time, which is an improvement over the Mini 4's 30 minutes. For drone enthusiasts, this means more time in the air without constantly swapping batteries. If you need extra flight time for longer shoots, this is a big win. Another expected enhancement is the improved obstacle avoidance system. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to have sensors all around the drone, making it safer to fly in tight spaces. This is great news for beginners and experienced pilots alike, as it reduces the risk of crashes in areas with trees or buildings. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of this drone. On the positive side, the 4000 camera at 60 fps is a game changer. Whether you are capturing landscapes or filming professional videos, this upgrade will significantly improve video quality. The longer battery life is another major benefit, reducing the hassle of frequent battery changes. Additionally, the improved obstacle avoidance system makes flying safer and more convenient. However, there are a few downsides to consider. The price might be higher than previous models, making it less appealing for beginners. If you are looking for a more budget-friendly option, the Mini SE or Mini 2 might be better choices. Also, while the camera is a solid upgrade, it still may not match the advanced features of higher-end models like the DJI Air 2S or Mavic Air, which offer better zoom capabilities and larger sensors. When comparing the Mini 5 Pro to other drones, it holds up well. Its biggest competitor is the Mini 4, which is already a great drone. However, the Mini 5 Pro offers key improvements in camera quality and battery life, making it a worthwhile upgrade for those looking for better performance. If you are considering drones like the DJI Air 2S or Mavic Mini 2, you will notice that the Mini 5 Pro provides similar core features but lacks the advanced flight modes and extended range of the high-end models. Who will benefit the most from the DJI Mini 5 Pro? If you are into aerial photography or videography, this drone is an excellent option. It is compact, powerful, and capable of capturing stunning shots. Beginners will also find it easy to use, with advanced features that allow for growth over time. The improved obstacle sensors and enhanced camera make it a safe and reliable choice. That said, if you are looking for the best camera system or longest flight range, you may want to consider stepping up to a more premium model like the Air 2 or Mavic Air. However, for those who want a balance of price and performance, the Mini 5 Pro is a solid choice. One of the key advantages of the Mini series is its portability. The Mini 5 Pro continues this trend, making it a great option for travelers, hikers, and content creators on the go. Despite its small size, it still delivers high-quality performance, with an advanced camera and extended battery life. Stable GPS connectivity and smooth flight performance are crucial for drone users, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer improved GPS capabilities. This will provide better stability and accuracy, especially in areas with weak satellite signals or obstacles that interfere with flight. Another expected feature is intelligent flight modes. The Mini 5 Pro is likely to include modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Navigation, and Point of Interest. These features make capturing dynamic shots easier by allowing the drone to fly autonomously. Whether you are filming action shots or scenic views, these modes add a new level of convenience. Photography enthusiasts will also appreciate improvements in still image quality. The upgraded sensors should provide better dynamic range, capturing more details in shadows and highlights. Whether you are shooting landscapes or low-light scenes, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to deliver enhanced results. The remote controller is also rumored to be upgraded, offering better signal strength, extended range, and an improved user interface. This will provide a smoother experience, especially when flying in areas with signal interference or longer distances. One potential downside is that the Mini 5 Pro may still lack some of the advanced features found in more expensive models. Drones like the Mavic Air 2S and DJI Air 2S offer higher resolution cameras, better zoom, and more sophisticated obstacle detection. If you are a professional looking for top-tier quality, these models might be a better fit. However, the Mini 5 Pro still offers excellent value. It balances affordability and performance, making it a strong choice for those who want to explore drone photography and videography without spending a fortune. For beginners and casual users, it provides an easy entry into the world of aerial imaging. DJI is known for its reliable customer support and well-designed software. The DJI app makes it simple to control the drone, plan flights, and review footage. Automatic software updates also ensure you have access to the latest features without extra effort. If you ever run into issues, DJI's support team is known for being responsive and helpful. To sum it up, the DJI Mini 5 Pro brings exciting upgrades, including a 4000 camera at 60 fps, longer battery life, and enhanced obstacle avoidance. These features make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced drone users looking for a compact and powerful drone. While it may not have all the features of high-end models, it offers a great balance of price and performance. If you are considering buying the Mini 5 Pro, it could be the perfect drone for capturing high-quality footage without breaking the bank. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pilot, this drone has a lot to offer. Stay tuned for more updates, and let us know in the comments what feature excites you the most about the Mini 5 Pro. Thanks for watching.